good, guys? Welcome to the Start Today podcast. I'm your host, Chris Cavallini. Today, I'm going to skip the formalities and we're going to get straight to business. Guys, listen, this game, this path, this journey, this process of living our best life and doing what is required to reach success, to make an impact, to help other people, to basically leave our mark and see to it that, once our time on earth has expired, that we're not, soon forgotten. Okay? It's not a part-time thing. All right. It's not something that, is 9 to 5 that you punch a clock for. It's not something that, you get weekends and holidays off. It's none of those things. All right. When you're on this journey, okay, when you are truly committed to becoming the best version of you, like how are you even going to possibly consider for a moment that there's an off switch for that? Like there's a schedule for that. There's like little time brackets and certain days from the year that you're exempt from being that person or working on developing yourself to become that person. All right. There's no such thing as days off when it comes to working on becoming the best possible version of you. It doesn't exist. Okay? Every day needs to be treated like a Monday. You get up, you fucking go hard, you do the things that you're supposed to do, and that's it. And I realize that a lot of you guys probably don't like that. A lot of people out there, want to believe that there's some way around the work and the commitment and the consistency. They're going to believe that they can live a 1% life and, make a ton of money and have the accomplishments and get all the opportunities by working, your 9 to 5. It's just not the case. And, those people that look for those shortcuts, they go through their entire life that way. They go through their entire life looking for the next thing, looking for the next little opportunity that, they can do the least, thinking that they're going to get the most. And then comes the day where their time is expired. And now, they're in a situation where, it's almost time to retire. And now they get to live off their bullshit Social Security because they've lived paycheck to paycheck their entire life. They've neglected their health. So now they have health issues. So now that the money that they have in Social Security that they're getting, that goes to covering the medical expenses that they've accrued. So then guess what ends up happening? They end up in some bullshit assisted living facility, not even a nice one where, it's more like a country club, one that people who can't afford to pay for their lifestyles end up. Okay. I don't want you guys to be that person. The problem is none of us think about these things. None of us think about where we want to be in a year from now, what situation we would like to be in a year from now, 18 months, 5 years, 10 years, let alone 20, 30 years down the road. Guys, what you have to realize is the grind never stops. That doesn't mean you gotta, work like a slave 24 hours a day. It means you always have to be in the frame of mind of looking for areas to improve in, looking for areas to get more proficient in, to developing new skills, learning new items that you can then take action on that will result in better things materializing in your life. Okay. Now, look, I love Mondays. I legitimately love Mondays. I love Mondays because on Sundays, I go hard. I develop some momentum on Sunday that I then carry over with me on Monday. And I ensure that come Monday, I'm ready to rock. My priorities for the week are mapped out. I have a meticulous plan in place. And come Monday morning, I get to executing on that. Okay. That is how I've set up my life. I love what I do. I enjoy what I do. I'm fortunate to be in the position that I'm in. I get that, but luck has nothing to do with it because I didn't always love what I do. I haven't always loved it. It took me 5 years to develop the passion that I have towards actually and realizing what I had Like what I had right in front of me for 5 years, I didn't see it as that. I didn't see it as an outlet, a massive outlet to make a global impact, to change the lives of tens of thousands of people, and to develop a culture of individuals that, gave them purpose, that gave them a mission in life, that taught them the importance of gratitude, of helping others, of personal development, of giving back in the community. I didn't see all those things. It took me 5 fucking years to pull my head out of my ass, which through, life-altering event and just massive amounts of personal development, finally, I developed this new perspective. I was given a new shot at life. Just like every morning, you are given a new shot at life. An opportunity to come out of the gate like a fucking lunatic, ready to attack the day, crush every obstacle in your path, and leave no fucking prisoners. That is the attitude that you need to have going into a day, because our days, our tomorrows, next week, next month, next year, it's not promised. It's not guaranteed. It's not something that you're necessarily entitled to. It's a gift. Every day is a gift that is being generously provided to you with the expectation of you not taking it for granted. So tomorrow, today, depending on what time you're hearing this, okay? Let's change our fucking perspective. Instead of just going through the days and going through the motions, let's begin to attack the day, because there is a huge difference, a massive variance in the type of activity, the type of mentality, the type of attitude, and the type of energy that goes into just, going through the fucking day, which most people do purposelessly, right? With no real rhyme, reason, no plan, no strategy. There's a big fucking difference between doing that shit and getting up and attacking the day with ruthless intentions. All right? Look at it like this. Today, I'm going out there and I'm crushing skulls. I'm crushing skulls, and I'm going to keep the pressure on everything in my path. I'm going to knock down, and I'm going to leave a trail of skulls from the time I start to the time I finish. That is the mentality that you need to have. That is the savage mentality that is needed to win. And I know you guys want to win. I know you guys want to win. You wouldn't be listening to this. You wouldn't be listening to my bullshit if you didn't. But what I'm telling you is, unless you're, some like super nerdy motherfucker who has the ability to like create some sort of like app, or, you're someone who basically finds a 4-leaf clover and then, invents the Snuggie and makes $100 million. This is how we have to do it. We have to go into it as if we're going to fucking war every day, because we are. We're in war. Like, this is a war. It's a battle against complacency, against excuses, against the people that have doubted us, against our former self, okay? Against the people who say it's not possible, against the people who try to hold us back, against the people who talk behind our back, our own friends, our own family. Some of you guys have spouses that don't even support you. I can't even tell you how many times I've come into contact with and spoken to people who are on the path, on this journey, okay, of becoming just a better version of themselves. And they tell me that they're not getting the support from their spouses. Look, you have to understand that as we progress on this journey, part of what is required is sacrifice. Part of what's required is for you to be smart enough to get rid of anything and anyone that doesn't serve you. Okay? To cut ties, to cut connections, to completely eliminate any threat that stands in between you and where it is that you want to be. It stops today. We're done. We're done. All right? We're done with the excuses. We're done with I'll just start tomorrow, or I'll start on Monday, or after my birthday, or on the new year. We're done. We're done with just this one time. We're done tolerating and accepting the people around us, attempting to stand in between us and our dreams. All right? We're done taking the easy road. We're done succumbing and, allowing these just unhealthy, toxic, negative thoughts to consume our mind and bowing down to them. We're done with that. Okay? No more. No more waiting for the perfect moment, right? No more being paralyzed with indecision and procrastinating because, we're not fully comfortable or confident or whatever else that we tell ourselves to just not take action, to not step up, to not take responsibility over a situation, regardless if we're certain or not. Hey, here's a little inside secret, okay? Most of the new things that I do, at best, I'm 65% certain of what I need to do, 65 to 70%, okay? But you go anyway, because you have the confidence to know that no matter what comes up, you're gonna figure shit out, all right? That's the savage mentality, all right? Now is the time for strength. It's time to demonstrate our strength. And through consistency, through belief, through willpower, through sacrifice, through hardship, through struggle, and through grit and discipline, then we'll discover who it is we're supposed to be. Then we'll discover who it is we were meant to be. All right? But you have to be vigilant. You have to stand your ground, hold the line on, seemingly trivial things, right? That might seem petty, that might seem trivial to some, that might seem like they don't matter, but they do. Okay? Savages do not let things slide. Okay? We crush the skulls of our enemies, which is weakness, which is obstacles, which is adversity, which is anything and everything and anyone that attempts to hold us back from evolving and becoming the individuals that we were destined to become. Guys, you already know the deal, all right? All this shit, start today.